Hi everyone, thank you for clicking this video. Today I am in 5 to 7 batch. These boys and girls, they are going to talk on the topic that is global warming. And why we should talk on this topic? I know you all can speak on this topic because you know how to speak. But our motive should not be only speaking. Our motive should be aware to the people. And you have to also show the art of speaking, how to talk in front of the people. So there is one line that your 10 seconds decides your whole speech. So today we are not going to represent ourselves here from like this. Good morning or good evening everyone. My name is this. I am going to talk about the global warming. No, no and no. You have to just come on the stage and try to show your facial expression. Whatever you are going to share, if you are talking about the problems, your face, not your words, your face should say that you have a problem. As Ruby she shared about some points, and she was normal, and she was saying that I'm going to talk about that global warming and all these things. She said her point was good, her thought was good, but you have to just come on the stage and energize to the people and talk to the people, connect to the people, and share your own thoughts so people can know about the exact meaning, about the exact problem of global warming. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
No, you are not ready. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
I think you guys are sleeping.
No, sir.
Now I'm going to say that clap. You have to clap once. Excuse me. I'm going to say clap once, you have to clap once. If I'm going to say 2 times, you have to clap 2 times. I'm going to see that how much you are active. Okay? If I'm going to say this clap 3 times, you have to clap 3 times. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand? Clap. No.
But clap, you don't say.
आप लोगों का जो है एक साथ आना चाहिए क्लैप. Clap. No. You are not active, guys. Now, clap. Very nice. Clap. Now, clap. 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 Stop. Now, clap. 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 Stop. Now, you guys are not active. You are facing the problem because of scorching hot. Okay, clap. 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 Stop. Very nice. Let us invite the first person of the day, Miss. Who wants to come first? Who wants to come first? Okay, let us invite the first person of the day, Miss Garima, please.
विकास की होड़ में क्या क्या गवा दिया, विकास की होड़ में क्या क्या गवा दिया, जिस धरती ने जन्म दिया उसी को जला दिया.
अरे कसम से आप वर्ड्स को फील करिए. ठीक है, इतना तेज क्यों जा रही है? इसको भी नकल भी किया जाता है तो इतना नहीं देखा जाता.
आप एक बार बोलिए.
ठीक है, ऐसे देख के बोलिए. विकास की होड़ में क्या क्या जला दिया. ठीक है, विकास की होड़ में क्या क्या जला दिया, जिस धरती ने हमें जन्म दिया उसी को हमने जला दिया.
विकास की होड़ में क्या क्या गवा दिया, विकास की होड़ में क्या क्या गवा दिया, जिस धरती ने जन्म दिया उसी को जला दिया. एक पेड़ लगाया होता, एक पेड़ लगाया होता तो आज ये दिन ना आया होता. हम कौन थे, हम कौन थे, क्या हो गए और क्या होंगे अभी. कि हम कौन थे, क्या हो गए हैं और क्या होंगे अभी. आओ विचारे मिलकर ये समस्याएं सभी. आओ मिलकर विचारे ये समस्याएं सभी. जय हिंद एवरीवन. माय नेम इज गरिमा शर्मा and I am here to talk about the very critical topic which is called global warming. Let us know about what is global warming. Do you guys have any idea?
Don't do like this. Do like this. Yes.
Do you guys have any idea? Any of you? Let me tell you what is What is global warming? Okay, so it is the increasing it is the increase of the temperature of Earth due to the human working, like due to the human acts. It is also affecting by greenhouse gases, like majorly it is affected by CO2, which we all know. Like, let us know how it is increasing and how it is affecting our lives. It is affecting our health, our environment, our trees, and also the economy and the future of our country. Okay, and as we all know, today we are facing this searing and scorching hot. Let us know what is the reason behind it. In old and ancient days, we can see like there was not that much hot. Nowadays, in last year, we had seen like the temperature has gone by 45 to 50 degrees.
Oh my God.
And in this year, it is also increasing year by year. Okay, so let us know what is the reason behind it. There are few reasons in which this is the most effective reason which we can say. Like we are using fridge in our home, which is reducing the gas which is called CFC, chlorofluorocarbon.
Right.
And it is going in the sky, and it is producing so many effects in which our ozone layer is also affecting. And as she says, like UV rays, these are also affecting our earth, and we are facing these all problems. Let us know what is the reason behind it. So as we are human, and we are doing so many bad things,
उतर जाइए, चले जाइए लोगों के बीच में बात करते
so many bad things.
Huh.
Do you know, like as we are human and we are cutting the trees, many of the trees, we are not planting any trees. Like Narendra Modi has said, like in the birthday, if you plant one tree, then there will be more and more trees. Okay, so if we start from ourselves, then our nation will be aware, and it is like starting from yours and spread it to every people, so that they can also be aware. Okay, and let us know how can we reduce it. Firstly, we just need to improve our transportation. Like one person have the need to go anywhere, and they are using cars. Okay, it is producing so many pollution, as well as this problem of global warming. And we just need to use electric vehicles, and if one person have need, then they can use motorcycles and normal cycles. Okay, there is no use of using the petrol or diesel vehicles. And deforestation, as I said, it is a problem, and the world is facing this problem. Like glaciers are melting, and hot is increasing day by day,
Right.
and our health is affecting so much. Like we people are facing this problem.
अरे problem. Yes.
We people are facing this problem. Like we had created it, and now we are facing. So what was
Yes.
what was the effect of it? Like as it is said, like whatever you will do, it is action and reaction. Like we had done some problem, and now we are facing it.
बहुत अच्छी, very nice.
So let me wrap up this this one topic by saying it like if we start from ourselves and aware many people of the day, then it will decrease. And I will also want to aware all of you people, like we are 12, like 12 to 10 here, and if we start from ourselves, then it will decrease. So thank you all for listening me so carefully.
Very nice. Please.
वृक्ष देकर जिसने तुमको श्वसन देने का अधिकार दिया, प्यास बुझाने को तुमको नदियों सा संसार दिया, काटा पेड़ किया प्रदूषण, धरती को बेजान किया, उसके उपकारों का ये तुमने कैसा एहसान किया. So good evening everyone, my name is Archana Yadav, and I would like to say a few words on a very serious topic. As we can see that the entire world is facing such a major crisis known as global warming. So I am going to introduce firstly what is global warming. It refers to a long-term changes in our Earth's climate, especially temperature, rainfall, and extreme weather conditions. Now we will know what is the main reason behind it. The first one is greenhouse gases, which is present in our environments like carbon dioxide, methane gas, carbon monoxide, nitrous dioxide, and chlorofluorocarbon, which is released by refrigerator and ACs, which trap our heat, which trap heats and raising the Earth's temperature. And the second is human activities like deforestation, industrial pollution, and excessive use of fossil fuels like petrol, diesel, coal. As a result, the average temperature of the Earth is increasing day by day. Now we will know what is the impact of global warming in our environments or health. The first one is ice glaciers are melting, sea levels are increasing, and flood, drought, and extreme weather condition started to emerge. Many flood. It's not only harm for our environments, but it also threatens our life, billion livelihood of million peoples. It also impact of our economic growth because of global warming. India has to face 3 to 5% loss GDP in every year. And the second is because the labor workers don't want to work in this type of heat. As we can see that Delhi is getting more heat nowadays, and so these are the impacts because of global warming. Now we will move what is the solution to reduce global warming. The first one is planting more and more trees. Second is reduce carbon emission, uh, promote e-vehicles, use renewable sources like wind energy, solar energy, and support government scheme like One Ped Maa Ke Naam. And government also government is going to introduce a new AC rules in
Right.
which in which the temperature of AC is will lie between the 20 degrees Celsius to 28
Okay.
degrees Celsius. The people cannot set the temperature of AC below the 20 degrees Celsius because each 1 degree increased temperature reduce consumption of electricity by 6%. So, in conclusion, I would like to say the global warming is very dangerous for all of us. So, if we don't act now, the future generation will have to pay a heavy price for it. As we know, we have the only one planet which is Earth. So, save Earth, save future. Thank you for your kind
Very
attention.
nice. बहुत
वक्त बदला, सदियां बदली, बदले सदियों के दस्तूर। वन कटे, जीव घटे, नहीं कम हुआ तो व्हाट? एनीवन गेस? एनीवन गेस?
बहुत अच्छा
नहीं कम हुआ तो वो हम इंसानों का फितूर।
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Richa. Today, I will tell you about global warming. What is global warming? Its cause, effects, and how we can control. How can we control global warming?
बहुत अच्छा.
Global warming means the Earth is getting warmer because of pollution. as we are seeing that temperature is increasing day by day due to global warming. We are using transportation and vehicles which affects to increase global warming. People are doing deforestation in highest level,
Yes.
which affects also increasing scorching hot,
Very nice.
and that pollution which comes from industries and factories, that it makes air too warm. Warm air, warm air melts ice in cold place, which it makes ocean rise, which can be a problem.
Okay.
And overpopulation and agriculture
Mhm.
also affects to increase global warming.
Oh.
Global warming affects to our health factors,
Mm.
like we are facing much diseases
Mm.
and spread of diseases, climate changes, and natural habitats. Due to global warming,
Mhm.
people are using AC, refrigerator, and all things. Due to problem of
Eating.
heating.
Okay.
Okay. And global war. Now I will tell you how can we control global warming.
Mm.
If we can help by using turning off the lights and by using less water and reduce or stop waste.
Oh.
And we should plant trees, and recycling also helps the earth to be cool and happy. You have been a great audience
Of the day.
of the day.
बहुत अच्छे. Very
जिस दिन मरोगे अपने साथ एक पेड़ लेकर भी जलोगे। जिस दिन मरोगे अपने साथ एक पेड़ लेकर भी जलोगे। प्रकृति का जो कर्ज है वो तो चुका दो यारो। प्रकृति का जो कर्ज है वो तो चुका दो यारो। जीते जी 2 पेड़ तो लगा दो यारो।
अरे.
Good evening all of you. My name is Komal. Today I am here to talk about one major problem we face daily and day by day. And it is not our problem. It is a problem of whole country and whole world. You think nowadays we face many scorching hot. Why? What is the reason of it? We never think about it because we have more option to save it, because we live in cities, so we have option. We have AC, we have more things, but you think about roadside people, they don't have any option to save it.
Mhm.
And you think nowadays why scorching hot is increasing because of global warming. It is very major problem of our country and our world, because it is main reason of climate change and and forestation. And we use AC and we established big industries day by day. It is main reason of global warming because we establish advanced technology and use advanced things, but we never use source to reduce global warming. If you establish big industry, so you should plants. If you use AC in room and at home, so you should plant at home because without plant we never get oxygen because AC already released many harmful gas. When you sit in inside, you think about AC is already observe your body water and it is very harmful for you, every people.
Okay.
But we feel better. We already use AC more and more. People never avoid to AC use. We daily use cold water by refrigerator. It is also harmful for our life because which water is earth give us when this is very pure and
Hmm?
healthy for us and our body also. And nowadays we make big and big buildings and cut tree day by day very big level. Nowadays we see any cities, we never see many plants. We have only 2 or 3 plants in surrounding our environment and our society. We talk about ancient time. Every crossroad have one banyan tree, one sacred fig, many plants because it is very big source of oxygen. But nowadays very less banyan tree and sacred fig. And neem also provide us oxygen a lot of. But nowadays we have very less banyan and sacred fig. So we should plant banyan tree and sacred fig because it is very important for our life because without oxygen we never survive on earth and we should plants and aware to people for plants and every people if you have any emergency then you cut the trees otherwise you avoid cut tree. Many people cut tree for our enjoyment but it is wrong. We use renewable source of energy, not a unrenewable source of energy because we use renewable source of energy so we again reuse this product this thing but nowadays we use unrenewable energies so it is end by end after some days it is almost end but we use renewable energies it is all it is every time reuse we should reuse. Thank you so much. You have been great audience of the day.
Life is crying because it's not clean. Earth is dying because it's not green. Earth is our dear mother, so don't pollute it. Earth give us food and shelter, so let's salute it. So, good evening, everyone. Uh, today, today I want to share something about the very critical point nowadays. I think you all know about this. Nowadays global warming is on the peak. Global warming is all about the change in temperature and change in climate also, so we should do something for it, otherwise in future it became a very critical problem. I would like to say that some of the main causes of the global warming, such as the deforestation, industrialization, and burning of fossil fuels, in which burning of fossil fuels is is became a very critical problem because due to burning of fuels, the CO2 is increases in our environment, which affect our body very badly, such as we faces a lungs problem and kidney failure and asthma type diseases. In the year 2000, I think in the year 2016, on record it is called as the hottest year of the world. In this year, I think 52.18 million people suffer this problem only because of the global warming. And we should do something, otherwise it became a very great problem. So we should do something for this. The writer of the United Kingdom, Prince Charles, says that we should fund money for the countries in which rainforest is in high level, so that the lifetime of trees is increases. I would like to share one more story about the writer Tishani Doshi. She is an Indian writer, and she writes in her autobiography that her own story.